U Menteri Rangba Kejela u Konrad ke Sangma dapen benau wo yarap kat weye ya kinos wo yo ki ulai kreh cebari weye ni de ongu hawawai ya ka overseas nursing job fair dapen man ni chirup waganivis HR PVT Ltd Nosage ka the Trained Nurses Association India ka Jied Enterprise ka Meghalaya State Skill Development Society wa ka Department of Health and Family Welfare ka Sarkar Meghalaya. Hei wada Palat 1000 ngut kinos ki wada wan wo thapertuj wo ikwa ki wo lai kreh cebari. Da pentibu wa hapo Meghalaya da hadu khat 1000 ngut ki wada man kam kit khot ka Meghalaya Nursing Council wei ka jela rai kut ko wo sikai ya ki khenro khlot haki wo bon ki benta kham tam wakat ni jor idawa ya ki nos cebari. Hagani ka nos job fair da ki company ki wana Japan, Singapore, Germany, kiri ke Middle East na Australia wa kiwi ki wada wan wo penyo ya ki kreh wada terwa cha ki nos we ka sarkar u kerchan go ya ki bacha jied hadu san pau jar semen kenang wo cha hikai pen plia gi we ka poisa wa tam daw a na ka tulop men de yo kreh gi da khanau le wa ka tulop ki wa kreh cebari kenjo ka cha ka chilak tam hadu arlak chibenai I wa chong hai kerdan pure wada pendep ki we ye ki upha chayung pra pau hajar hadu chilak chibenai kam ter yuluti wa ini daw penman go wo gi wa chong chnong ka Meghalaya ki wa da plia he kam ijam ki wa sa cebari I wa seriem kam kinong Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu wa Gujarat. Hagani ka sngi da lang ka menteri ka chnat icha ikhia ka Dr. Amperin Lengdo ka wa da wa kam wo chduk ti ye ki tu ki wa da pendep ye pure puthi ki wom pu yo kreh de wa penchlur le ye ki wa thok kreh du kinos wa hawa kwa olai cebari wo pen ke ide wo tip ya ketin ka thelit yong ki kiri da kadaw ko le wa hakini kisni da chispa san pangut kinos wa wan Nagaro Hills tang wada kam won wo pen man ya kani ka overseas nursing job fair sahatura.
Basically this is initiative that was taken by our Honorable Minister for Health Kong Amperin Lingdo where there was a huge gap that was seen in terms of the need for health care services, especially for nurses at the international level, and the availability of skilled manpower at the state of Meghalaya. And hence, the only requirement was to actually connect these two dots, where the government could play a very crucial role in financially supporting as well as logistically supporting this entire initiative. And that is what we're doing today. We have this overseas nurse job fair where an overwhelming response has come from the nursing community. We have more than 1,000 nurses who have come in here in the first phase, and we are now going to go through a selection process where few nurses will be selected, and the government of Meghalaya will be supporting them with 50,000 for their training from the government of Meghalaya side per individual. And as many as they qualify, we will be happy to support as many as possible. And we hope that once this happens, this will be a huge impact, not just in the personal lives of the individuals who get through, but for the overall state where foreign exchange, different connections and different sectors will then open up for economic activity in the state with the country with which we are able to partner with and send our manpower out there. So it's a great step forward, and I congratulate the Honorable Minister, congratulate the department and all the stakeholders who have made this particular job fair a possibility. We will be having this job fair also in Tura very soon because our nurses from Tura were not able to come. So we will ensure that in Garo Hills region also this job fair is conducted. And in the future, not just nursing, but we hope to be able to expand and reach out to other sectors also apart from nursing, like hospitality, like the construction sector, and even areas of, like, say for example, music and other sectors. So we are seeing a great opportunity, and this is just the beginning. We hope that we'll be able to really expand this and really provide great opportunity to the youth of our state.